Hello, hello, hello. I'm Bosco the athlete. I have a road bike here. I actually ride road bike every day as a hobby. In fact, next week I'm going to go into a bike tournament and I want to race with my friend and I really want to beat them. How I'm going to do that? Money is no object to me. I just want a very lightweight bike like this one. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Bosco, the city commuter. So I live in the city, and every morning I will bring my bike from my home, ride it to my office. And then after that, I will lock it outside of the street. So what I really want is not something lightweight. I don't really want something that can help me to go fast. Instead, what I want is something dependable that can bring me from point A to point B. What I really worry, however, is that in the city, there's a lot of thieves, and I lock my bike on the street. So instead of a lightweight bike, what I really want is something cheap, dependable.